For all those who appreciate the work that we're doing here on Standing for Truth, please hit that subscribe button because we are just getting started.
Now that you mentioned that, because we know humans have incredibly low genetic diversity, like you said, and you're right, they don't like to point out the fact that the allele frequencies and how rare they are. When it comes to them attempting to explain the low genetic diversity, Dr. Carter, it looks like they look to that out of Africa near extinction event.
Yeah.
Is that out of Africa near extinction event, is that plausible? And what are some of the major problems associated with that, since that seems to be what they look to explain the diversity?
Well, first of all, it's an post hoc answer. No one predicted the out of Africa event before they found the data, and they're like, oh, what do we do now? Oh, well, what if our population is reduced to an effective population size of about 10,000 individuals? Now, could it have been reduced to 1,000 or 100 or 10? Yeah, but they don't allow that in their models. They only go down to about 10,000-ish. And what if that stayed in that size for a very long time? They never say how long, but a very long time. Well, then, according to mathematics, you're naturally going to have a Y chromosome atom. You're naturally going to have a mitochondrial leave, and most genetic diversity will be lost. Because small populations, the inbreeding, you get a lot of loss of diversity. That's why we have, breeds of dogs. It's because they don't let them breed with another breed. There's only, I don't know, how many German Shepherds in the world? How many St. Bernards in the world? Not many. There's a few thousand of each. I don't know. I don't know the numbers, actually. That'd be an interesting question. But that will dictate to you how much diversity you have. The problem with this is this. There are about 10,000 cheetahs in the wild today. And all the population wildlife ecologists are worried that they're going to go extinct because mutations are increasing, birth defects are increasing, litter size is decreasing, reproductive incompatibility, genetic diversity in cheetahs is going down, 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 down. They're too inbred. If they can't survive about 10,000 individuals, how did we? And if that inbreeding event is a near extinction event, we evolved from the primitive Homo erectus to Homo sapiens in a situation that should have driven us to extinction. You phrase it like that, all of a sudden you realize, like, wait a second, this doesn't make any sense. I mean, we went from half monkey, half man to flying to the moon.
Right.
In a very short amount of time, going through an event that should have bred us into extinction.
Yeah.
So it all depends on which syllable you accent in the story.
Well, I agree with you 100% that it's a post hoc, ad hoc rescue device because they never predicted it like you said, Dr. Carter. And I've heard